Hello, boys and girls. Welcome. We are going to go over page 151 and 152 in volume 1 of your homework and remembering. So on these two pages, we are going over milliliters versus liters. So there are some important things that you need to know about milliliters and liters. So when you think of a milliliter, I want you to think of a single droplet. Okay, just like that one drop of maybe water or juice or lemonade, something. When you think of a liter, I want you to think of those big Gatorade bottles that, I'm trying to draw that, that you guys might use. That's horrible. Those Gatorade bottles that you might drink at like football games when you're out at cheer, or just any sports event just to rehydrate yourself, okay? So as you can see that a milliliter is way smaller than a liter, okay? Also, when you talk about milliliter and liters, you are not using these to measure the length of something. You're actually measuring the volume, how much can be held in a container. So how much of something can be held by a container. And usually this is more so in a liquid form, okay? So for example, my hand soap here, okay, says that it has 500, whoops, oh my goodness, 500 milliliters, okay? So it has 500 milliliters, okay? I can convert that and show how many liters that is, which I don't even think that's a liter. All right, let's go ahead and go to page 151 in your math homework and remembering, volume 1. We're going to do number 1. So it says, circle the best estimate. Estimate is just a wild guess, but an educated guess, okay? A container of milk, would that be 2 liters? Or would that be 20 milliliters? So you're saying that that gallon of milk, that container of milk, is way smaller than this hand soap. All of this that's in here, it's going to probably be like maybe up to here. Okay, think of which guess would be the better guess. I would say that a container of milk would hold 2 liters. Okay, so you're kind of making the better guess for all of these questions. Number 7. Let's go over number 7. All right. It says use the drawing to represent and solve the problem. Dina had a bottle of water that contained 800 milliliters of water. She used 500 milliliters. How much water is left in the bottle? So I know that this bottle can hold 800 milliliters, and she used. That means she got rid of it, she drank it, or used it in a recipe, whatever it might be. And another clue that I'm subtracting is the word left. Left means I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to simply take those two numbers and subtract. Remember, big number on top always. 0 minus 0 is 0. Same here. 8 minus 5 is 3. So she has 300 milliliters left in that bottle. Okay? Easy peasy. That's number 7. Number 8 will be very similar. Okay, we're going to go to page 152. And we're going to do question number 2. All right, it says solve, then circle what type it is and what operation used. So it says number 2 says the area of the rectangular table, so I'm going to draw that, is 18 square feet. So the whole thing is 18 square feet. Okay. The width, how wide it is 3 feet. Okay. I want to know what the length is, how long it is. So I am looking for this guy right here, how long it is. I already know how wide it is. I already have that measurement. And I know that the total for the whole thing is 18 square feet for the whole thing. Okay. So I'm going to take those two numbers. And I know that area equals length times width, right? L times width, okay? How long it is with how wide something is, okay? So I know, and then that'll give me the area, which is on this side. I have the total, which is 18, okay? I have 3 feet as my width. I'm looking for my length. So what can I do? Think about it. We've done these in class. I'm missing a partner. So what I'm going to have to do is the opposite. Remember that division and multiplication are sisters. So I'm going to simply flip this equation. And, had to rethink that. I'm going to turn this into a division equation. So now it becomes 18 divided by 3. I'm going to draw my 3 squares or circles or whatever you want to use as your equal groups. And I'm going to split those 18 evenly. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Stop. I'm going to count one box because I want to know what my length is. I only want to know one side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? That means that my length up here is going to be 6 feet. How can I double check? Well, I can always multiply 6 times 3. I can skip count, draw equal groups, use an array, whatever you want to use to make sure that it equals 18 square feet. All right. Remember your takeaways. Area is length times width, how long something is and how wide something is. Usually you would multiply that, but if they give you a total of what the whole area is, you can use that to divide by one of the sides that they gave you. Okay? All right. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Today's item that I might ask you for during our Zoom is going to be tissue box. I've been using these because the allergies are really bad. So tissue box is our item. Have a great day.